All right, so what do you do when you run out of room on your phone to store videos? You just go live, all right? All right, my last question, I'm going to get this one out. All right, Brenda, S. Catherine, and Julie all had similar questions, which is I'm at a very low calorie range, and when I start to bump up my calories, I start to gain. And I want to cover this because it needs to be done in a very precise way. This is not something that you just throw a bunch of spaghetti at the wall and hope something sticks. So when you say you gain weight, does that mean that you actually step on the scale one day and it bumped up a little bit? Or are you doing it in a very scientific way where you say, I'm going to give this process 3 weeks. I'm going to go from 15 to 1600 calories, and I'm going to chart my weight every day. I'm going to get the average weight for each. I think I'm back. I think my connection is weak. Okay, as long as it's recording, that's all I'm worried about, Facebook. Okay, so for 3 weeks, you are tracking the, say, 1500 calories, excuse the dog barking, and you are tracking your weight every day and you're getting an average. If on 1500 calories, you can definitely see your weight stays stable. It's going, staying at like 160, 160.2, 160.4. It's like staying within that range. Okay, so life is good. So if you truly believe bumping it up 100 extra calories is going to cause weight gain, then you have to test that hypothesis. How do you test it? You don't get weirded out when you step on the scale one day and it bumps up a little bit. So if I made a goal, I said, okay, I'm gonna track my body weight in conjunction with my lowest calories I think I can eat and not gain. Then the next week, I'm going to add in, and if you truly believe 100 is just going to cause weight gain, I would go for 50. By this point, you've been very regimented with your food. You've weighed and measured everything, so you know you're getting in that 1500. You've been weighing your body every single day for 3 weeks. Now we bump it up by 50 extra calories. How does that look? That looks like maybe a half of a tablespoon of butter. That looks like maybe a half of a serving, not even like a half of a bag of 100 calories of almonds. That might be 1/2 of an apple. All these things are about 50 calories, if you truly believe that. However, if you have not done the previous situation I mentioned, where you actually track, so let's just say you think you could do 100 calories. You're at 15, life is okay, nothing major is happening. Then I would bump it to 1600. I would very much weigh and measure all of my food, make sure you're actually getting in 1600 calories a week, or a day, a day. I would weigh myself every single day, and I would get the average of my weight. Now, I would give that process at least 2 weeks, see what results you get, and then make an assessment. But if you are doing it like that, you should be fine. If the 100 calories freaks you out, do 50. Do it very slow. It's going to take weeks and weeks and weeks for you to get up to where you need to be. But when you do, your body will be in a much better place to take a deficit at another time. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this up, but I hope that helps. Bye.